What's up? What's up? This video is about about me. No, just kidding. This video is about recreating Vogue magazine cover. I was thinking about that a long time ago, and I've seen it multiple times on Instagram. They are doing the challenge, and I want to join the. I want to join the game. I've been thinking about it for a long time, and now pwede ko na siyang gawin. The only thing is that I need a model for the shoot, for the project, and fortunately may kaibigan ako, co-worker ko from Utopia. Yes, the only problem is how would I tell her about the project and how would I convince her to say yes. So she's from Utopia. I asked her if she would like to be my model, and she was like, she's super nervous about the idea. And finally she said yes, yay. And also mahiyain siyang tao, and buti na lang pumayag siya. Thank you, Rahel, for being my model for this project. It's gonna be amazing. The next day we went to this. I told her about this shop nearby from the place we work. We went there, which is I'm gonna show you how we choose some clothes. Let's go. The shop. So this is the shop, guys. That's my friend. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, we're going to look for dress for her. This shop has a really affordable prices. We're gonna be trying to make it look expensive, right?
Rich, yeah.
Yeah. Then no, you're gonna be
This one I'm going
No.
to sleep looks like. Huh? Or
like
from
this.
inside, nice.
Yeah. Like, what's the best for your skin tone?
Yellow.
You know better.
Yellow. But yellow for
Oh, this is not my section.
It's nice.
I want something.
In fact,
I want something glamorous. They will clash.
Yeah, the color is not really going well,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, they're not
So
like
this is nice.
they are like
Short with the crop top, but this is long, so it will cover off, no?
yeah. Everything that you feel better. It's okay for me.
Well, that's
It's gonna be look.
This is very pretty.
I like this also.
Like that.
This is gonna be nice. Now, you will choose the top. How can we pull off? What's the best top for this one?
White? Or
White.
Yeah, white I saw here.
Seems like we found something good.
Cool.
How about this? Wow, Rahel,
Really? You like this?
you don't like? You don't like? Okay, I don't like.
No!
Can we find something even more like close? This is too showy, na? The white is, it will contrast with your hair. I really want to highlight your hair.
But this is not like
So when the hair and the white, it's gonna be look amazing.
red.
This is hard, guys. So we have decided the look we're going is this one. We're gonna make it look expensive. What is this?
So we can drop this.
This is more stronger.
If you like, I have like this. Not exactly this, a better one, but similar. But we can take this price.
We found something, another one.
It's all
Looks expensive.
extra large, but it doesn't seem like it's extra large. It's just small. I think I will fit in this. I can fit in this one.
That's not really large.
Not really
You think?
extra large.
Okay. We have this technique in the Philippines. The way we figure the size that will fit.
Check with the neck, yeah.
We're like doing it. You
We
can
do
try it.
that also.
Can you try it?
See, perfect.
Perfect. Okay.
It's
Okay. So now there's one, and this one, and we're
Just pass, pass.
the tops. The top is only one.
pass.
Okay. So that's it. You can pay.
Iya, ada serba ya.
45. Okay. You'll take it.
Okay, we'll share it then.
No. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So we're done, and let's see how it's gonna turn out. Bye bye. Your model case more even closer. Out to three. Let's try. Yes, much better. Even better. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 shot. We're gonna be taking a shot here. 1, 2, 3 shot. Can you flip your hair? Yes, yeah, like that is much. And can you make it like this? Yes, like it. Yeah, yeah. Guys.
If I look fat, tell me, huh?
Yeah. And always make your other foot in front. It will make you thin. Make you sit here.
Okay, this one.
Yeah, always make like that. So this shot here seems like it's gonna turn out good. Who knows? I don't know. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, we finished the shoot, and how's the experience?
It's a little bit tiring.
We wish that pre-photos will turn out good. And yeah, so we just wrap up the shoot, and see you next time. And
Thank you.
yeah, thank you, Rahel, for joining me with the shoot. And
Subscribe to Noab's channel and support. Make sure it thumbs up.
yeah, thank you so much. And so we're done here, and we're going home right now because we're really tired already. It's really hot as well. So yeah, let's go. So you guys are here. You made it. And about the pictures, how it turns out, ano yung kinalabasan ng pictures. First time I did was color grade them, which is yeah, I've done it already. I choose the best pictures that I think has the most potential to be on the Vogue magazine cover. I did my best to to make it look like legit Vogue magazine cover. So yes, let's go for editing. So yeah, first thing first, I went to Google to look at some Vogue text PNG files. Then I choose the best ones that it might work with the pictures that I downloaded them, imported them also on Photoshop. So first thing I did was to clean up the picture, and I put the Vogue text. And this first one was I want the text behind her hair, and I was struggling a little bit putting it behind. So what I did is I masked out the hair, then so I was able to put the text behind. So yeah, it looks like that right now. And third, that I did some drama here. So I added some quotes, something like that. Like I made up some quotes. It just came out in my mind. So like make everything possible. So like drama to make it like something like a cover, something like that. And I added some year to 2021, like that, to make it even more legit. Yeah, and after that I added her name in the statement, something like that. All of these things is made up in my mind. So yeah, every outfit has its own statement. I never thought that I can make some words like that. I make sure that I place them properly, so make it look like legit. I want to put her country, Utopia. So usually Vogue text has the country on letter O inside it. So I want to do that as well, just to like make everything look legit. And the last touch I did was I want to add some like signature or something. So I made up some signature like that, Rahel. So I made up something like drama signature. And the last touch I wanted to add was new collection for the clothing. So we're like advertising the clothes. So yeah, that's the first picture. Turns out like that. So for me, I'm surprised na nagawa mo to. It looks legit for me. I don't know about you. What's your opinion? You can tell me, comment down below. What do you think about the picture, the first picture? Is it look like it can be a Vogue magazine cover or not? Or it's not even close to the Vogue magazine? Just let me know. Comment down below. What's your opinion? What do you think about the first picture? So yes, that's the first picture. But for me, I'm happy. I'm happy that it turns out that way. It looks so, for me, it looks legit. It looks nice and expensive. I think it can, let me know. I don't know. Pwede siyang maging cover ng Vogue magazine. But for me, it looks amazing. Hell, you're the best. And yes, that's the first picture. And let me know what do you think about it. So the second picture is we just choose the first cloth, the top. So the other one is like polka dots, yellow, and I choose this, the one that she's sitting there. I like that one. That's my second pick. And then I downloaded again like another Vogue text. You can see there's a Thailand, from Thailand, Vogue Thailand, and I want to put it behind her because I made some little bit of room above her head so I can put the text there. And then I removed the Thailand text. Sorry, Thailand. This is just a challenge, please don't copyright. And then I want to make the color of the text matching with her dress. Yeah, we need to put the Utopia again because she's up from Utopia. And yes, I put some 2021 so just to make some drama. So I need to think about text that I'm going to put here. Then it took me 20 minutes to make this like let your actions speak. It's even more louder, so I want that to put there. I made it a little bit bigger. Then I want to put like your next best look. We're advertising this new collection from Vogue. I just create another signature, and again the new collection drama. And yes, that's how it turns out, the second photo. And yeah, yon guys, let me know what do you think about the pictures. Is it really close to be Vogue magazine cover, or is it convincing to be a Vogue magazine cover? What do you think about the result? But I'm really happy about the result. For me, it really looks amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching. Love you guys.